Hi everyone, so I'm back with another little kit that I've put together. This is a little 10-page journal kit and it's called Shabby Flowers. Trying to get the kind of spring and summer thing going on at the moment. So anyway, this is a traveler's notebook size journal. So there's 4 decorated pages, like so. And then on the back, I've printed on the back, we've got this one here and then this one, and I've just alternated them onto the backs of them two. I hope that's not confusing. I don't want to print them out separately when I knew I was going to print them out on the backs of these as well. So that's 8 pages. 8 pages, is that right? No, 6 pages because that is one and that is one. Yeah, okay, confused myself there. Then there's these pages which actually are the same as that, but I've printed them a little bit smaller for the journal that I'm going to work in, but you can print them out this full size as well. So the traveler's notebook size, I've printed mine with a border, I always do, but it is 8 by it's 11 across, so that's 22. And then these ones I've done just a tiny little bit wider, just to make sure that it covers if you print on the backs of these, just so that it will do that, and you won't end up with, like, say, a white piece down there. Hope that makes sense. Anywho, right, so there's that. And then on the backs of these, this is a freebie. It's just a 1-page background, like kind of coffee dyed thing. So there's this one here with the lines, and like I said, it is full size, but I printed it smaller. And then this one here with the script. And then we've got 2 pages of tags. And I will probably use some of my other on kits within this journal, because that's what I'm going to crack on with now. I'm going to make a journal with this and obviously use other things, and I have got some other little bits that are coming out that will kind of go with this, but I'm going to release them slowly. I don't want to do too much at the same time. Well, when I say slowly, it'll be tomorrow. It'll be tomorrow. Sorry, I snorted then. I just had a big sneezing fit. I've just had a curry. It's quite a spicy one, so it's making my nose run. Anywho, that's enough information, isn't it? Yeah, so I'll put the link for this below. I have put a few freebies out and another little kit today as well, so go check them out. The link to my shop will be below, and if you do have any questions, just ask, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.